Hi everyone! Remember those cookies from last time? They gave me an idea for a super creamy ice cream. A chocolate ice cream. An intensely chocolatey, rich ice cream, that is. Let me show you how to make it. To 100 grams of dark chocolate, I add 125 milliliters of hot milk. Let the chocolate sit for 2 minutes before you stir it. Now gently stir it until you obtain a very smooth chocolatey mixture. In the pot in which I warmed the milk, I'm adding 250 milliliters of whipping cream, 75 grams of erythritol, and a teaspoon of cornstarch. Bring this to a simmer while stirring constantly. When bubbles break the surface, remove from the heat. To the measuring cup I use to weigh the whipping cream, I'm adding 2 egg yolks and a generous teaspoon of vanilla bean paste. Mix these very well and then gradually start to pour in the hot cream. Add just a little and then mix very well before you add a little more. After 2 more additions, you should have added more than half of the cream. At this point, return everything to the pot and bring to a simmer. Use low heat and stir constantly. When the cream coats the back of the spatula and holds a trail, you know it's done. Now return the custard to the mixing bowl, in my case the measuring cup. Now it's time to add the melted chocolate. I prefer to use a whisk to bring everything together. And yes, that tiny drop was delicious. When my mixture is homogeneous, I add a teaspoon of Dutch processed cocoa powder. Now mix again and you're almost done. To ensure the smoothest consistency, I prefer to pour the cream through a strainer. Freeze for 3 to 4 hours for a soft consistency. If you freeze it overnight, let it sit for at least 15 minutes at room temperature before serving. Enjoy!